Stop what you're doing. Look at your project. That rough lumber. That old deck. That paint-stained door. Now imagine removing all of it in minutes instead of hours. That's what a belt sander promises. But here's the dirty secret the tool companies don't want you to know. Most belt sanders are dangerous. Not dangerous like wear safety glasses. Dangerous like ruin your project in 3 seconds flat. Dangerous. One wrong move, and you've got a gouge so deep you'll be filling it with wood filler for an hour. But 2026 is different. This year, 3 companies secretly released belt sanders with technology that literally prevents gouging. Auto tracking that keeps the belt perfectly centered. Variable speed that lets you sand soft materials without burning. Dust collection so good, you won't need a respirator. I've been testing them for months. Starting at number 1. Metabo HPT SB8 V2 Belt Sander. Best overall. This Metabo HPT's 9-amp motor brings serious power that really makes it particularly well suited for tackling heavy-duty sanding jobs. In my tests, it quickly powered through a pine board, removing significant layers of material with each pass and leaving a balanced, gouge-free surface. The transparent front window helped me keep an eye on the belt, and the wired dust bag mostly stayed out of my way, while doing an admirable job collecting dust. This is one of the heaviest models out there, but that heft keeps it steady during aggressive sanding tasks. Combined with its rock-solid build and 5-year limited warranty, this is the sander I'd pick if I could only choose one, especially if cordless mobility isn't a priority. Number 2. DeWalt 20V Max Belt Sander. Best cordless. This DeWalt model's cordless design delivered the smoothest finish of any battery-powered sander I tested. It felt well balanced in my hands, and the variable speed dial was simple to read and adjust while in operation. It comes with a soft bag for dust collection, and it performed above average by that metric. I also really appreciated the swivel adapter for shop vac use. Belt changes were easy, too. Just flip the lever, swap the belt, and you're back to work. While you need your own battery and charger, it's a great upgrade for anyone already in DeWalt's 20V Max ecosystem. Number 3. 120418 20V Max Belt Sander. Best value cordless. The WEN 20418 provides strong cordless performance at a price that undercuts most of its competitors. Its variable speed range, 400 to 1150 FPM, makes it easy to control, and the speed control dial conveniently sits right next to the trigger. The included dust adapter fits snugly around my shop vac hose outlet. Belt swaps were quick and easy thanks to the lever release system, and the grip and handle positioning, very similar to the DeWalt and Metabo HPT sanders I tested, kept it comfortable during longer sanding sessions. It's not quite as refined as premium cordless models, but for those in the market for something that offers portability and solid performance on a budget, this is a great choice. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Bandfile Power Tool Belt Sander. Best detail sander. This DeWalt cordless belt sander operates in tight and intricate spaces without compromising any power. Its 20-volt brushless motor produces speeds up to 5,600 FPM, which means it removes a lot of material quickly. Its narrow half-an-inch belt removed material faster than I expected, so I really appreciated the versatility of the variable speed dial. I cranked it down during testing for delicate curves and contours, and it worked as expected. The sanding arm also rotates 104 degrees for more flexibility when sanding from different angles, and the LED light helped when I worked in shadow-heavy environments. Its grip is solid, like that of many DeWalt power tools, and I had no trouble keeping it stable even when I worked on tricky surfaces. A removable side handle gives you even more control, and the tool folds down compactly for convenient storage. This sander lacks a dedicated dust collection system, but for detail work, its impressive blend of power, maneuverability, and control more than makes up for it. Number 5. 16502T Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander. Best stationary. For shop work that demands stability, the WEN 6502T delivers. At 41 pounds, it stays firmly in place while you guide workpieces across its 4x36-inch belt or 6-inch disc, both of which have their own work tables for maximum control. It also includes an optional miter gauge for angled work. While the single-speed setting limits its versatility, it's well-suited for shaping smaller parts or doing repetitive sanding because you prevent the arm fatigue that typically comes from using handheld power tools over an extended period of time. This model's durability and user-friendly layout make it a budget-friendly workhorse for hobbyists and small shops. So there you have it, the 5 belt sanders that dominated my testing in 2026. Real talk, if you're a professional sanding every day, the number 1 Metabo HPT is an absolute no-brainer. But if you're a weekend warrior doing occasional projects, the number 5 SKIL Sandcat will save you money and fatigue. Quick heads up, belt sanders are like cars, the price changes weekly. I've linked all of them in the description with the current lowest prices I could find. Check there before you buy anywhere else. If this video saved you from buying the wrong sander and gouging your next project, smash that like button. It helps other DIYers find honest advice before they spend their hard-earned money. And subscribe with notifications on. Next week, I'm revealing the 5 random orbital sanders that pros use for butter-smooth finishes. Some of these, you've never heard of, but they'll change your woodworking forever. Now go make something awesome. I'll see you in the next one.